Alright, I got the valve springs in and I'm gonna do all that. So all you do is crank on this guy, pull the keepers out, one on each side of the valve. And then you get your valve spring and retainer stuck somehow. Interesting. See, I already did one and this didn't happen on that one, of course. Guess I just needed to give it a little more room. There's the old one. And we'll take the new spring, sit it down in there. New comp cam's retainer. And send the keepers in. This guy off to the side. A little bit of assembly sauce on the end of the valve. Forget where you put the push rod at. Come on now. Push rods don't just fall. Okay. Push rod. I already put some assembly lube down in the lifter. Gonna put that guy in there. Bring our rocker back up. Assembly lube on the end of the push rod. That's pretty much all there is to it. Then you tighten this down, set it to 0 lash, then adjust the preload. So I'm gonna do that 14 more times and then I'll come back. Alright, I got all the springs in. Now I'm gonna set the valves. I'm gonna do this, tighten this down until there's some resistance, which is 0 lash. Gonna do that on all 16 of them, and then turn the motor over 90 degrees, do it again, and repeat that until I've gone over 2 full turns. So it's not really gonna show up on camera, but I'm spinning the push rod. When I tighten down this rocker arm enough, I'll start to feel a little bit of resistance on it. A bit too much on that one. There we go. This one's already done. Okay, so I did my first pass. I'm gonna turn the engine 90 degrees and do it again. Alright, I got all the valve springs replaced and the retainers. I got the valves all adjusted and it should be right. We'll find out when I get the engine running. But figured I'd get out the real camera and take the first video on the channel with it. So if you want to like, comment, and subscribe, hit the bell or whatever, you should do that, because this engine's almost ready to go in. Just waiting on a couple more parts. So I'll see you in the next one.